Unlock your potential, Law of Attraction for beginners. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and manifest the life you desire? In this captivating video, we will delve into the Law of Attraction for beginners, revealing the secrets to harnessing the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions to create a reality that aligns with your deepest desires. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to effortlessly attract success, abundance, and happiness into their lives? It's not a stroke of luck or mere coincidence, it's the law of attraction at work. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, meaning that your thoughts and emotions have the power to shape your reality. By understanding and harnessing this universal law, you can unlock your full potential and create the life you've always dreamed of. Your thoughts and beliefs are like magnets, attracting experiences and circumstances that match their vibrational frequency. If you constantly dwell on negative thoughts and doubts, you'll manifest more of the same. However, by cultivating a positive mindset, focusing on what you want, and believing in your ability to achieve it, you can shift your energy and draw in positive outcomes. It's time to replace self-limiting beliefs with empowering ones and unleash the true power of your mind. While positive thinking is crucial, the law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking. It requires setting clear intentions and taking inspired action towards your goals. By visualizing your desired outcome, setting specific goals, and aligning your actions with your intentions, you send a powerful message to the universe. The universe responds by providing opportunities and synchronicities that support your journey. It's time to become an active co-creator of your reality. Gratitude is a potent force that amplifies the law of attraction. When you appreciate and express gratitude for the blessings in your life, you attract more abundance and positivity. By shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance, you open yourself up to receive more of what you desire. Learn how to cultivate gratitude practices and watch as your life transforms in remarkable ways. While the law of attraction is a powerful tool, it's essential to address the challenges that may arise along your journey. We'll explore common roadblocks and provide practical strategies to overcome them, ensuring that you stay aligned with your desires. Remember, the law of attraction is not a quick fix, but rather a lifelong practice of self-awareness and intentional living. Congratulations! You have taken the first step towards unlocking your potential and harnessing the law of attraction. By understanding the power of your thoughts, beliefs, intentions, and actions, you have the ability to manifest the life you've always envisioned. Start implementing the principles we discussed today, and watch as the universe conspires in your favor. It's time to unlock your true potential and create a life of limitless possibilities. Check the link below this video for more help with the law of attraction.